Time ticked on, and the hour got later. And soon, something strange started to happen.
Are you a spirit? Howdy, Nature Cat!
Oh, Daisy! Thank goodness. I thought you were a spirit.
Oh, I am a spirit.
Spirit? But you look just like Daisy.
Could Daisy do this?
Wow! Not the Daisy I know. You really are a spirit.
Not just any spirit. I'm the spirit of nature past.
I have no idea what that means.
It means I'm the spirit that can show you things that happened in nature a long time ago.
Oh, no, still don't got it.
Come, we'll visit nature in the past when you were just a little kitty.
I'm going to visit me. Oh, let me get my camera.
No need. I'll bring my phone.
That's your phone?